Let's do the second question from exercise 7.2, a very important question. Okay, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining a bracket 4 comma minus 1 and b bracket minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so there is a line segment AB. Forget about all this, you just focus on AB. AB, the coordinates of A are 4 comma minus 1 and coordinates of B are minus 2 comma minus 3. What we have to find? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. What do you mean by trisection? Trisection means three equal parts. Okay, so there are 2 points P and Q which divides this line segment, okay, into 3 equal parts. Okay, trisection is what? 3 equal parts. Means point P is here, so this is one part. Point Q is here, so this is the second part, and this is the third part. So P and Q have divided AB in 3 equal parts. So AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. I repeat, this is one part doesn't mean that it is 1 centimeter. So this could be 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. But whatever will be the length of this, okay, so AP length is 5 centimeter, then PQ will also be 5 centimeter and QB will also be 5 centimeter. Okay, so these three are equal parts. So we need to find the coordinates of points of trisection. So which are the points of trisection here? P and Q are points of trisection. Why? Because P and Q divides this line segment exactly in 3 equal parts. So this is one part, second part and third part. Understood? So this ratio is 1:1:1. Okay, so we have to find the coordinates of P and Q. So let's first find the coordinates of P. Okay, so what are these coordinates x and y that we will find using section formula? Okay, now so let P bracket x comma y divide AB internally in the ratio 1:2. Okay, what does it mean? If we want to find the coordinates of this point P, okay, so from here to here, how many parts are there? One part. From here to here, how many parts are there? This is one part, this is one part. So these are 2 parts. So this point P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. This total are what? 2 parts. Okay, from here to here there are 2 parts. So it divides it in the ratio 1:2. So what is the value of M1? M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. Okay, because 1:2, M1 is to M2. Now write the section formula P of x comma y M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus S2 M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. Okay, now what is the value of x2, x1, y1 and y2? So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, so x1 y1 is what? 4 and minus 1. So let's see here, you have to write it so that it becomes easy. M1 is 1, M2 is 2, x1 is 4, y1 is minus 1. Similarly, x2 comma y2 is what? Minus 2 comma minus 3. So x2 is minus 2 and y2 is minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3. So let's confirm. See, x2 is minus 2, y2 is minus 3. Okay, now next is just substituting the values. M1 x2, M1 is 1, x2 is minus 2. So 1 into minus 2 plus M2 x1, M2 is what? 2. X1 is what? 4. So 2 into 4 upon M1 plus M2. Similarly, M1 is 1, Y2 is minus 3, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now just solve it and you get it as 6 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 3. So 6 upon 3 is 2 and minus 5 upon 3. So the coordinates of P are 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. Okay, so we have got one answer. So we have found the coordinates of P. Okay, next we have to find the coordinates of Q. Okay, now just imagine, so if this is point Q, okay, so Q divides AB in what ratio? How many parts are these from A to Q? They are 1 plus 1. So they are 2 parts and this is 1 part. QB is 1 part. So Q divides AB in the ratio what? 2:1. Okay, now Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Now what is the value of M1 here? It is 2. What is the value of M2? M2 is 1. The formula remains the same, M1 x2 etc etc. Okay, so the difference between these values and these values will be, okay, in place of M1, so this is M1 is 1, here you will write 2, and in place of M2 you will write it as 1. Okay, only the values of m1 and m2 will change, rest all remains the same. Okay, so m1 x2, m1 is 2, x2 is what? x2 is minus 2. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, the same thing is done here, only the values of m1 and m2 are exchanged. So you get 0 upon 3, that is 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. So the coordinates of q are what? 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. So final statement, therefore the coordinates of points of trisection are p bracket 2 comma minus 5 upon 3 and q bracket 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. A very important question. Okay, so it's very simple. Only thing, you should not make any mistakes while calculating this.